Adonis, a taste of beauty. Adonis, a synthesis of perfect design, technique and tradition, is the espresso coffee machine created to serve involved emotions and transmit unique sensations and tastes. Light and shadow, modern and retro, as an expression of elegance without time, capable of making each place unique and prestigious. An aesthetic precept refined and well designed, with simple and intuitive controls, transforming each daily gesture in an almost theatrical routine, bringing to mind rules and passions of barmen long ago. The power of steam is transformed into a creamy velvet flow of milk for artistically inviting and tasty cappuccini, capable of delighting every palate. Excellent cups are guaranteed by highly innovative technological solutions through the high-efficiency extraction system, capable of extracting the most noble and aromatic content of the coffee. The mirror of aroma, reflections of an identity. Victoria Arduino, the value of a creation. Adonis, a taste of beauty.